Okay, there are 25 people have been surveyed. There are 15 that like veggies. There are 18 who like fruit. Okay, focus. I want to work out, hang on a second, there might be one more piece of information. Okay. Everyone likes something. Jeez. Okay, so that means that nobody likes neither, okay? Somebody likes anything. So what I need you to remember how to do is how to draw these. The first thing we do is draw a box, right? And then there's a little E out the front, right? So that's what we normally do. Then we're going to have our two circles. This is going to be fruits. This is going to be veggies. Now, can I do this? There are 15 people who like veggies, 18 people who like fruit.
Yeah.
Why not? Does that equal 25? Okay, so that should be what you immediately realize, that this is too many people. So there must be something in here where there's people that like both. So we are going to use some algebra to work it out. This is X. That's our unknown. Shh, guys, come on. I know it's last period, but let's focus. So this is X. What this is actually saying is there's 18 people in both of these sections. So if that's X, isn't this bit 18 minus X? And if this is 15, this bit must be 15 minus X.
Yeah.
So 18 minus X plus the section here, X, plus 15 minus X equals what? 25. There are 25 people altogether. So then I've got 18 plus 15 is what? 33. Negative X plus X is nothing. Minus X is 25. So negative X is negative 8. So X is 8. So what that means is that I'm going to rub this out so I can put in the right numbers. So that means that there are 8 people in the center. So if there were 18 people who liked fruit, what number goes here? 10. And what number goes here? 7. So this one was a little bit easier just to be able to see, but making an equation so that you can solve for X is the easiest way to do this, especially if there are 3 circles, if there are more things going on. When you have Venn diagram questions, write down as much as you know to begin with, then you can try and create some sort of equation. Yeah. This would probably be worth 3, I think, because you need these 3 answers, right? I would say. Okay. Now, I want to remind you of some Venn diagram notation. A union B, what does that mean? Right, it means all of it. So if you've got A and B, that means all of A and all of B. A intersection B means the bit in the middle. All right, what does, if I said that everything except the intersection, right? So not the red bit. This is the intersection of A and B, but not that. What's the fancy word for not? Good.
Guess who's back?
All right. So complement is what this is. So if they're asking for, let's draw another one. Focus. That's A and that's B. And I asked for not A or the complement of A. I'm going to color in everything except for A. All right. I'm going to give you a difficult one. Yes. Yep. No. All right. Can you please draw a Venn diagram for me? Draw this.
When you do not A, do you don't include the
No, because that's part of A. So don't include the intersection. Okay, can you please do both of these for me? I want one in green and one in blue. I mean, red. Okay. Please draw me both of these. Guys, I can see a number of people without books open. You should be drawing me two Venn diagrams. All right, I'm only going to give you 30 seconds. Color them in, and then I'll give you the answers, and then we're going to do some practice. Part of it. We're going to do probability stuff. I just want to make sure you remember your Venn diagrams. That's why we're practicing.
Bobby, I don't know.
Oh, okay, so the second one's right. Yeah, well done.
I did the wrong way.
No, that's right.
You use this and this.
Yeah. Yeah, that's good. Well done. No, what do they have in common? Remember, intersection means in common. Sorry? No, it means what do they have in common? It only means the bit in the middle when you're talking about what do A and B have in common. Okay. Okay, listening. All right, we're going to do the green one up the top first. So remember, union just means color in all of both things. So I'm going to color in not A. Okay, so I'm going to start by doing that. So I am coloring in everything that is not A. But then I have to union that with all of B. I have not colored in this bit yet. Okay. All right, now, guys, focus. Now, the intersection bit, I remember a lot of people were struggling with this last time. The intersection does not mean the bit in the middle. It can mean that, but it doesn't always mean that. Remember, this means what do they have in common? If I'm asking for the intersection of A and B, well, then this is the intersection because that's what A and B have in common. But for this example here, I am asking for what does A have in common with not B, which is only this bit here. This is what A has in common with not B. I am not allowed to use this. Yep. The outside is not common to A.
Why?
Because it's not in A. I don't know how to say that any differently. All right. Today, stop this.